Good morning, students. Today I will discuss number system. Basically, a number system is a writing system for expressing all the numbers. Suppose this is the number line, and this number lines has a lots of the number. So represent this number by using a number system. So if you talk about the definition of the number system will be a number system is a writing system for expressing numbers. If we talk about this number line, the number line contain all the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 by 2, 5, and so on. So this is the number line, and this called the number systems. So we can define all the number systems by the different classification. So next, talk about what are the classification of number systems and what are those numbers we talk about. So in number system, the first number is natural number. Which is represented by capital N. Basically, in number line, suppose there are certain number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on up to infinite. There are many numbers, there are lots of the number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite. The collection of these numbers is called natural number. We can also understand that suppose this is a one bag. In this particular bag, there are the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite. So this bag is called a natural number. This bag is called a natural number. Second, this whole number. Second is a whole number. Suppose in this particular bag, we contain 0 also. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on up to infinite. So this collection of number is called whole number. If we add 0 in natural number, so we called the collection of these numbers called the whole number. Next, integers. Which is denoted by Z. In number lines, there are also negative numbers. If suppose this is the bag, and in this bag 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the negative numbers like -1, -2, -100 number are present here. So this collection of numbers is called the integers. Integers. Collection of numbers called integers. And there are certain numbers also present here which can be represented by p by q ratio. Suppose the number is 10 by 3. So the number 10 by 3 also exists in the number system in number line. So these numbers are called a rational number. So if we define the rational number, so we can say that the rational number we can represent by the ratio p divided by q, where p and q are represented by the integers, and there is certain condition is that is q is not equal to 0. It means if the value of p and q is integers and q, which is denominator, is not equal to 0, so this number is called the rational number. For example, 2 by 5, where p to 2 and 5 is also called the integers, and q is not equal to 0. It means 5 is not equal to 0. So this called the rational number. For example, minus 2 divided by 8, minus 2 divided by 3. This is also called the irrational number. So collection of all the numbers which is represented by the ratio p divided by q is called the rational number. So if we talk about the big, this big contain all the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 8, and so on, and also a minus 3, minus 4, and minus 100, and so on, and 0.25, 0.8, which is represented by the ratio. So these numbers, the collection of these numbers is called a rational number. Next, irrational number. Rational number. If we cannot represent the number by the ratio of p divided by q, then this number is called the irrational number. For example, root 2, root 3, root 5, value of pi, root 2, root 3, root 5, root 11, and so on. This number is called the irrational number because the value of root 2 is 1.414 and so on. We cannot represent by the ratio. So this number is called irrational number. And collection of all the numbers like natural number, like whole number, like integers, like rational number, and irrational number is called real number because we can represent these all numbers in the number line. So this is called a real number. Thank you very much.